Welcome students. In this video we are going to learn our lesson number 5 of English grammar. Lesson number 5 is articles. In this video we are going to learn about the articles a, and the. First we will learn about a and an. For example, a bird, an apricot. The articles a and an are used before singular nouns. The article a is used before nouns beginning with consonant sounds and with vowels that sound like consonants. Now for take example, an ice cube, an eagle. Article an is used before beginning with vowel sounds and words which begin with a vowel. In other words, we can say we use an before singular countable nouns that begin with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. The articles a and an refer to people or things in general. They don't tell us about definite things or people. They are called indefinite articles. Let's see, for example, they have a storybook. Pass an apricot from the tray. Now let's see the article the. Now let's see, for example, the sun rises in the east. The spider has 8 legs. The article the is used to talk about definite or specific people or things. In other words, we can say we use the for a particular noun, a particular person, a particular place and thing. Now let's see the rules for using the definite article. We use the to refer something which has already been mentioned. Or in other words, we can say we use a or an when we mention the noun for the first time. And we use the when we use that noun again. For example, a woman came to meet my mother. The woman was from Kutch. We use the to refer the people or objects that are unique. For example, the sun rises in the east. We use the before uncountable nouns. For example, I split the juice. Juice is uncountable noun. We use the before superlatives and ordinal numbers. For example, this is the tallest building in Delhi. The 4th International Handicraft Fair will be held in September. We use the with the adjectives to refer to a whole class of people. For example, the rich should take care of the poor. The French love their cheese. We use the when a singular noun represents a whole class. For example, the spider has 8 legs. We use the with the names of geographical areas, rivers, mountains, groups of islands, canals, oceans. For example, the Gangas, the Red Sea, the Pacific Ocean, the Gulf of Mexico, the Bay of Bengal, and the Himalayas. We use the with the countries that include the words republic, kingdom or states in their names. For example, London is the capital of the United Kingdom. Klang belongs to the People's Republic of China. We use the with the countries that have plural names. For example, have you been to the Philippines? We use the with the names of newspapers. For example, I read about it in the Times of India. With the names of the famous buildings, works of art, museums. For example, have you visited the Taj Mahal? We use the with the organizations. For example, the headquarters of the United Nations is in New York. We use the with the names of hotels and restaurants. For example, the Ritz is located in Paris.